Leading the new trend of green mobility, crafted with ingenuity, outstanding quality. Stylish appearance, comfortable riding experience. Intelligent technology empowering travel. Large-scale production with sufficient capacity. Professionally provide OEM and ODM customization services. Support brand customization, design development and function customization. Original factory, reliable quality control. Join hands for mutual development and create a better future. Sincerely welcome partners worldwide for win-win cooperation.